Good evening. Let us learn something about network layer. So first in the network layer we will be dealing with the services provided by this layer like packetizing, forwarding and routing. We'll also be seeing about other services like flow, error and congestion control. We will also be seeing about packet switching and virtual circuit approach of packet switching. We will also be seeing about network layer performance where various things like delays are considered in network layer communication. We should also be talking about the packet loss and issues of congestion control at the network layer. We will also be learning about IPv4 addressing, DHCP and so on. We will also be considering about network layer packets and how the forwarding can be done based on the destination address in a packet. So before going about all these things, we should know the basic concept of communication at the level of network layer. So when we take up the internet, it is made up of many networks or links connected through various connecting devices such as routers, switches, LAN and WAN switches and point-to-point WANs. So when we consider a typical problem of communication between Alice and Bob at the network layer level, then we should understand the role of network layer at each point. So at the source and destination we have network layers. So at the source of Alice, the packet, the data being received from the transport layer, the upper layer, is encapsulated as a datagram in the network layer, and that is passed on to the data link layer for framing and further processing. Whereas in case of destination side, so the frame which is being received at data link layer is being removed to get the datagram, and that capsule is being given to the network layer where the decapsulation occurs, and that is being removed for the payload which is passed on to the upper transport layer. So this process happens at the source and the destination systems, whereas in the intermediate devices such as routers the routing happens. So even though the packets are being transmitted through the various devices, in the intermediate devices the routers use only the three layers for routing the packet. So the packet is being received by the physical layer and it is decapsulated to data link layer. Again it is decapsulated from frame to datagram in the network layer where the destination address is found out, and again based on routing table the new destination address is being framed and then being sent through data link and physical layer, and it goes to the next network where again in another routing table it is compared, and it goes on like this. Even though the upper layers are available in the routers maybe, but that is only for control, but whereas only bottom three layers are used, whereas only at the destination and the source the upper layers are used. So we should understand this concept. And the very important functionality and the duty of network layer is packetizing. What is packetizing? Encapsulating the payload in a network layer packet at the source and also decapsulating the payload from the network layer packet at the destination is called as packetizing. And in other words we can say It is the duty of the network layer to carry a payload from the source to the destination without changing it or using it in between. So it is similar to a service of a carrier in a post office. So it flows from one post office to another post office and to the destination house without the packet being completely opened. So another new cover can be put up on the letter or the content, but you cannot open the complete content in between. So this is called packetizing. So thanks for listening to me till now. Let us see about routing and forwarding in the next video. Thank you.